3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming out from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song by the Scorpions. Wind of Change. Alright, so we got 3 basic parts and we got a bridge. Okay, so let's go over some chords we need for the song. For the intro. Alright, let's go. Standard tuning. We need an F major 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. The whistle part at the beginning. The D minor. 1, 2, 3. Again, 2 times. To A minor 7. First finger, B string. Second finger, D string. And then we have that picking part, which is over D minor first. So play 4, 1, 2, 3, and then over minor 7. Strum it, and play 1, 2, 3, and then over G you want to grab. Grab B string 3rd fret, that's your top note, and then play B, open D, open B, and open G. Alright, let's do the intro one more time. Pick D minor, pick A minor, G. It's going to take us to the verse. So the verse starts in C major, D minor, C major, and now we're going to pick again, same thing, D minor. D. Now we're back to the intro. F major 7, D minor, A minor 7, pick D minor. Second verse. C major, pick. Chorus, C to G, again. C to G. Down, down, okay, and then that's going to take us to the bridge before the guitar solo. Let's start on A minor. 2, 3, 4, G, A minor, G, and then C major, to D minor, and E7. First finger on the G string, second finger on the A string, E7. And then we have the guitar solo. That's F major, G, E7, A minor, F, G, A7, F, G, E7, A minor, and D minor, and E, stay on E7. It's gonna take us to the big last chorus. C, G, E minor, F, C, D major, and A, F, G, and C, 2 times there. Cool. So yeah, that's the whole song. Basically, staccata da, zack da, staccata da. Intro, F major 7 to D 2 times, and then A minor 7, and then you pick D minor, A minor, G. Okay, and then the verses C, D, C, pick D, pick A, pick G 2 times. And then the chorus. C, G, D minor to G, C, G, D minor to G, and F, A minor, F, and G. And yeah, that's it. Big bridge. A minor, G, A minor, G, C, D minor, E7. Guitar solo, F, G, E7, A. F, G, A minor. F, G, E7, A. And then, let's see, I wrote it down. And then D minor. And then you hang on E a little longer. It's a lot of chord changes, so I would write it down and just listen to what I'm saying and just write everything down. It's easier. Cool. Thanks, guys. Beautiful song, fun lesson for sure on the acoustic. I'll see you tomorrow. Be safe. Thank you.